Hello YouTubers, today's video is on how to replace a malfunctioning kill switch on a 1980 Lawn Boy 2-stroke hand mower. And by that, I mean this particular model Lawn Boy. These hand mowers have trouble with the kill switches going bad, which went in that hole. The customer has replaced it with one of these type, but this one has failed on him. So we went and ordered a new one, and he agreed to have it installed. Now, here's the kill switch we're installing. It's one of the twist on-off type. And if you guys are looking for the part number, right here is the part number. Let's see if you guys can see that better. There's the part number. And the tools you're going to need today is a number 2 Phillips, a quarter flathead, screwdriver of course, a pair of nail nose pliers, and naturally safety glasses if you choose to wear them. Alright, now you're going to take your number 2 Phillips and take the side screws out, which I've already have. You're going to take your pull start cord and feed it through the shroud. You're going to tilt it over and disconnect your fuel line and your priming line with your nail nose. Now I've already done that ahead of time. And now we're going to go ahead and take our Phillips, not a Phillips, a flathead screwdriver, a quarter inch. Let's see if I'm in frame. You're going to take this screw and this screw out. This is honestly a simple job. Alrighty. Now you're going to take our brand new kill switch and just feed it right into the hole. You're going to take your 2 screws and reinstall them. You go ahead and tighten them up. Don't make it too tight because it's only plastic. You will strip them out. This only goes in one way. And there, kill switch has been installed. Alrighty, I've already went ahead and put my fuel line, my priming line back on. I take my screws back out of the where they hold on the shroud. That way I don't lose them. I stuck them there so I wouldn't lose them. Alright, now there are 2 wires, a white wire and a black wire. Your white wire goes on the top post of your coil, and the black wire goes on the bottom side. Now, the wires are a little short, so I'll just tilt. I'm not sure if I'm blocking your guys' view or not. But black wire goes on the bottom. I'll move it around. The white wire goes on top. Gotta pull your shroud in a little close to it. Kind of hard to see. Okay, now just reach your hand up into the shroud, put your pull start cord through, make sure all your bolt hole lines up. Now I'm not sure if I stated before, but I already got my fuel line and primer bulb line hooked up. Never mind, my fuel line came off. Now you can put a clamp on there, but just be careful about that. You don't want to break it. It is plastic. Put all your screws by hand. There's one in the front, one in the back, one on each side. Helps not to have your hair in your face. And these are your number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Again, don't need to make them too tight. Just use common sense. This is a 21-inch long boy, 21-inch cut. The customer has asked for a basic tune-up. We did the tune-up, and it turned out that his kill switch wasn't working. So this is the off position, which creates an open circuit to the coil that shuts off the motor. In the on position, it makes a complete circuit so the motor can run, so the coil has spark. That's it. We'll put some fuel in it, and I'll give it a test start, and that'll be it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and entertaining. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram. If you want, go ahead and leave me a comment. I read all my comments. Thank you for watching.